पुरयतात.
Okay, come at 1 o'clock sharp. Yeah, don't come late because then after class is okay. So you have to come at 1 o'clock. Or I have to wake up and just study.
बढ़िया है. खोबऱ्याची बाईट घेता. आज कित्याक लागून तुमी हांगासर बसलेले आसा आनी कितें विशय आसा?
हालींच थोडे म्हयने जाले हांगासर एक जमो एकठांय जावन हांगासर कितें चलता ताचेर एक प्रोटेस्ट ताचेर एक तांचो एक निशेध कसो, कित्याक हांगासर पयलीं शेतां रोयतालीं आनी आतां अकस्मात हांगासर कितें इमारत येवची आसा आनी ही रोयतालीं ती शेतां अशीं पुरून आनी अशें इमारत बांदप एक दुखाची गोश्ट अशें म्हूण ताचें जाल्लें म्हणून म्हाकाय दिसलें की असले बरे कावजाक हांवें ताचो सहकार दिवपाक जाय असो. जेन्ना आमी देवानी सृश्टी दिल्या सृश्टीचे राखणदार आमी, म्हाका दिसता आमी हे सृश्टीक उपकारी आसपाक जाय. आनी कडेन चुकून पासून हांवें म्हणलां ते भाशेन कडेन ही सृश्टी शेतां कडेन गेल्ली कडेन जाय, पूण आतां जेन्ना ती रोवपाची शेतां मागतात आमकां परतून दी आमी कडेन हें विकूंक सोदता आमकां, म्हाका दिसता हें कानार दवरूंक जाय आसलेलें आनी कसलोय तरी बरो उपाय सोदून काडूंक जाय आसलेलो.
आतां गोंयांक तुमी पयल्या वयतात हांगासर गोंयांत आतां प्रमोट जाल्ली आसा लोकांची की जायतीं शेतां झाडां हें तुमकां हाचे वयर कितें सांगपाचें?
खरेंच दुखाची गोश्ट ती. आमकां कोणाक डेव्हलपमेंट नाका अशें म्हणून न्हय, पूण आमकां इल्लें म्हाका दिसता आमचें मनीसपणाचें नातें आसा जें सृश्टी कडेन, तें नातें म्हाका दिसता आमी सांबाळपाक जाय. नाजाल्यार आमकां उरलां आनी कितें पळयना. आमी हांव जाल्यार पर्सनली सांगता, हांव केन्ना जेवता तेन्ना हांव देवाक आर्गां दिता जेवण म्हाका फावो जाता, कित्याक कोणें तरी तें शेत रोयलें, कोणें ती भाजीपालो रोयलो, कोणें तरी सृश्टीक लागून आमी स्वास सोदता आनी खंय आनीक सगळें चिती नासतना मनीसपण नासतना म्हणलेल्या भाशेन झाडां कातरप प्रोजेक्टा खातीर हें सगळें करप, हाका लागून म्हाका दिसता लोक जायतो उचांबडगडे जाला जायत आनी हुस्को जाला हें कितें काय आनी फाल्यां कितें जातलें काय म्हण.
Yes, please.
Okay, especially how you see that you have started the silent protest long time back, and today eminent fathers also had come to support. What do you see in this?
It all started on the 15th of August, Independence Day, as to stating that are we happy with what's happening? We had got liberated for one particular reason, is so that we can enjoy our freedom. And today you can see our freedom is totally taken away from us, from our elected representatives. In spite of farmers telling them that we need to save our fields, we need during this pandemic time that we need to protect, we need to cultivate. And there were already 3 farmers who were already plowing over here. In spite of that, their cries have not been heard and they have gone ahead. The case is going on in High Court. We are waiting for dates to come forward. But this is a constant battle, because unless we show down on ground level that we mean business, we mean we want to save our farmers' fields, we mean that we are not going to give up, because enough is enough. That's why first from the 15th of August to the 31st of August, we had every day. And then from September, it's once a week, Thursday, 5 to 6 p.m. in the evening, that we are dedicatedly giving our time to Taleigao. We are around 15 of us who are regularly here. Now the priests are joining us. I'm so grateful that Father is coming from our very own Santines parish, Father Albano. And soon Father Bolmex will be joining us. Soon Father Simon will be joining us. So we are going to have a lot of priests coming down, because in the end, we have to practice what we preach. So we have to come forward and requesting all Taleigao cars, requesting everyone who have eaten vegetables from our fields here in Taleigao to come and support, because we can see what's happening right now. Our fields, low-lying fields, are getting destroyed for a new panchayat girl. Panchayat, being the people's body, is not supporting right now. So requesting you all, because if we don't come on ground level, the battles won't be won. We have to show numbers. So please, everyone come down, support, be our strength, because we should tell the panchayat saying that we want to save our farmers' field. I don't have a field here, but I can feel the cry of the farmers. I have the video, I can give it to you all. Who said that, "Maje shet hai." Onna Kamunun, from 5 years old, she's been coming over here. And I have a young farmer here whose aunties also got fields here, and their family has got fields here. So he's been constantly over here. Youth are coming forward, children are coming forward. आमचो फुडार आमकां सांबाळपाक जाय, ताका लागून आमी फुडें सरल्यात. सो सगळ्यांक मागता की येयात तुमी सगळ्या, सपोर्ट करात, कित्याक हो आमचो शेत न्हू, सगळ्याचो. प्लीज येयात, सपोर्ट करात. थँक्यू.
Long get action.
Huh?